Can Americans get support for healthcare needs while in Europe? In recent news, many Americans are asking an important question. Can they get support for healthcare needs while living in Europe? This topic has gained attention as more individuals consider moving abroad for work or retirement. If you are planning a move or a long stay in Europe, understanding your healthcare options is essential. Americans living, working, or retiring in Europe can access healthcare support, but it varies by country. The extent of coverage depends on your residency status and type of health insurance. Most European countries have universal or near universal healthcare systems funded by taxes or social insurance. However, to benefit from public health care, you typically need legal residency or employment in that country. For example, in the Netherlands, residents can access comprehensive health coverage, including long-term care. However, this coverage usually requires contributions to the social insurance system. For Americans who are temporarily visiting Europe, the European Health Insurance Card is not an option since it is only issued to European Union and European Economic Area citizens. However, if you become a resident and contribute to Social Security in a European country, you may qualify for an S1 form. This form allows access to public health care in that specific country. This situation often applies to retirees receiving pensions from the United States while living in Europe. Many Americans opt for private health insurance to meet their medical needs. Private plans can be obtained from United States-based international insurers or European providers. This type of insurance is often necessary because access to public health care may be limited for non-residents or those without Social Security contributions. European healthcare systems generally provide high-quality care at a lower cost compared to the United States. Spending on health in Europe tends to be more efficient, leading to better health outcomes for less money. This can be an attractive option for Americans seeking affordable health care abroad. To legally access health care support in Europe, it is important to have the right visa or residency permits. Registering with local health authorities and obtaining necessary insurance coverage is crucial. Some countries even requiring mandatory health insurance enrollment for residents. In summary, Americans can get healthcare support in Europe, but access depends on residency status, insurance coverage, and the specific country's healthcare system. Planning ahead to meet legal requirements and secure appropriate insurance is vital for managing healthcare needs while living or retiring in Europe.